Hello guys, how you can block a hacker from accessing remotely into a machine? Then don't worry, follow me. And first thing you are supposed to do, you click on your Windows button, then write allow remote connection to this computer. Then click there. Then on remote desk, you click on change setting to allow remote connections to this computer. Click there. Then on allow connection only from computer learning remote desk within the network, or then here there is allow remote assistance connection to this computer. Click there, then click and click there, and on don't allow remote connection to this computer, then click apply and OK. Then unclick here, then click apply. Now it means that anyone who try to connect this machine will not be able to go through. The second thing, we open the task manager. So on my machine here, we can check for the processes that are learning into my machine, and if there is a process which someone else is learning far from, you can terminate it, or you kill the process that is you see as is not a genuine process, and you uninstall the program. So that is all for today on how to block a hacker or unknown person to access into your machine remotely. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe and share for more.